Okay, I'll try to narrate as they fixed all been touched up, painted. Backyard, they cut the grass and weed eated. They fixed the grout and the tile right there. That's where one of the problems was. Okay, we're going to come around. You can see they painted the panels that were needing to be painted, touched up. Everything's been touched up. Backsplash. Painted that panel. Go into the pantry, which really had no issues other than a little bit of touch up, but it's fine. We come back out and go into the washing machine area. All been touched up. Remove the furniture, and they do have the dryer bit. They fixed the doorknob like it's supposed to be. So it shuts now. It shuts. So everything's good on that. Go upstairs. They fixed all the spot. All these were the ones that need to be turned, have been turned properly and set where there's an Allen wrench that you do it with. There's the door, so it's a lot better. We're going to go outside first. And they fixed this door handle and lock. And you'll see that they stained the railings all the way around. Tell Mr. Sweezy those lag bolts are to code now down here. They have to be. Everything to code. Okay. And they touched up around all the windows. They went around every window and touched it up with paint. Okay. Into the master bedroom. And it's hard to show on video, but they touched up all the windows. All the little spots, all the blue tape is gone now. Into the master bath. You got your mirrors up. Got the mirrors, everything's clean. Bathtub, everything's good there. All the faucets are good. And we go into the walk-in closet. You'll really like this, Katie. I wish mine was this big. You have some built-in shelves, but the only thing in here was touch-up, which they've done. Okay, that's for the alarm, I think, up there. Okay. There were no issues that I knew of in the shower. So, the rain tree. Okay. And then this would be the toilet area and a closet. They just had touch-ups and they've done all that. I'm pleased with the way they handled the punch list. Okay. We're walking over to the other two bedrooms. You can see they replaced that door that was just really bunged up on the corner. Here we go into another bedroom. Everything's fine. Again, just touch-ups. Everything's working in here. And got all the doors shut off. I don't have the key. I don't think this key works, but there's a lock that your dad wanted or your father-in-law wanted on this. I'm trying to find the keys. Let's see if this works. Oh, there's another key that goes to that. We'll get. And then you have your walk-in, not your walk-in, but your closets here for both sides. The two doors. But it is finished out on the attic and 2 steps down. It's really nice. I'm kind of envious of it. And then the bathroom for these 2 baths. There's your mirror. Caught me filming. And then in here is the tub, tiled in area. You'll need a curtain of some sort. Okay. Everything's been touched up. Keep it locked off that neat way. It'll stay clean. And we go back downstairs. It hit the elbow. Okay, we'll check out the garage next. They left plywood. The keys in the garage door are at the title company. That plywood is for your windows for hurricane. There's your hot water heater. And please tell Mr. Suisi the reason it's at an angle is to, if it does overflow or water comes, it has a natural flow out of the garage door. They've got touch-up paint for you, extra tile, if one breaks ever or somebody cracks it, extra paint. And I think there's another 5-gallon partial outside in the backyard. And we got a garage door opener. Rick just does not do that on any of his homes. He's got 27 more homes he's building right now. I told him, encouraged him to have garage doors. We have garage door openers put on there. There's your gate. They fixed that one tile that was chipped. It's been replaced. And they put the proper number, 125 Seabird. They fixed that area right in the middle of the garage, put up the sconces, and you have your sod in the front. Thing is, we just need to continue getting water on here. Okay. So, I will send this to you. Okay, bye.